Hello. So today I'm gonna film the industrial ceiling fan, but I did filmed in Home Depot ceiling fan. Stop. Sorry, it's my brother. He just wanna wave at me. Yeah, I did film ceiling fan display. So I'm doing industrial right now. So that's Dayton Mighty. It's called a Dayton Mighty Industrial. Oh, it's right there. It's turning off right there. Yep. Filming fan. I'm trying to find a I know. I'm trying to find a cleaning called Lisa, but I can't find. There's this one. Yeah, I'm just walking around. There's more right there. It's different. It's not a Dayton Molly one. It's right there. So he's right there. Okay, it's right there. A lot of them. It's right there. Different. It's right there. Okay, I could see that right there. It's turning off. Stop. Zoom closer if you want to see it. This one. There's more. Right there. Yo, look at the balloon. Yep. Go like there if I want to. Nope, not in here. Oh, it's blow. Look, if I stand on here, it's blow air. Okay, if I stand outside, it's kind of a bit hot. But now it's raining. That's right. Okay, I know it. Yep, you see it. And right there. Okay. Let me go right there if I can. A very, very long walk. Here we go. It's right there. Yep. Did show it. There's nothing here. Oh, this one's stuck. This fan's stuck. Just have a step on it, you know. Few more. Good. And the last one. Okay. That's about it.